Let's assemble the R1 bike. Open the box and take out all the parts. Lay down the main body of the bike and attach the footrests on each side. Connect the wires as shown in the video. Attach the 2 extra wheels for support and secure them with the 3 provided screws. Fix the indicators into the designated space, connect the wires, and secure them properly. Secure the tank cover with screws. Attach the bike handle and tighten it with the screws. Fix the rearview mirrors on each side and screw them tightly as instructed. Attach the front part and ensure it is properly fixed. Your R1 bike is now fully assembled and ready to ride with a smooth key start.